Have you ever noticed that despite having a cozy bedroom, you still can't sleep? It's not just because of stress or a busy mind. The real reason lies in your body's temperature regulation. Simply set your thermostat to a cooler temperature, about 60 to 67 degrees Fahrenheit. Then, cool down your body with a 7-minute shower or bath 30 minutes before bedtime. This rapid change in body temperature triggers your body to start producing melatonin, the sleep hormone. By the time you get into bed, your body temperature will have dropped, and you'll be ready for a peaceful night's sleep. To make it even easier, try using a fan or a white noise machine to block out any background noise that might be keeping you awake. And, to enhance your sleep, make sure to avoid screens for at least an hour before bedtime, as the blue light from smartphones and tablets can suppress melatonin production. Remember, it might take a few nights for your body to adjust to this new temperature, so be patient. Start with a 7-minute shower or bath, and gradually cool down your body over the next few nights. And don't forget to maintain a consistent sleep schedule to train your body to fall asleep at the same time every night. So, are you ready to wake up feeling rested and refreshed? Give this 1-minute hack a try tonight, and let me know in the comments below how it works for you.